Hello everyone, this is Teacher Joanna again, and for tonight's lesson, we're going to focus on one of the most commonly used words in the English language, and that is the word dream. We commonly use this word, okay, and we know that it is actually like used in different ways. So for tonight, we're going to focus on the different uses of dream. First, dream is actually used as a noun. The other use of that is it is used as an adjective. And then the third one is actually as a verb. Now, as a noun, dream is actually countable. So whenever we use that, we need to use a determiner if that is used as a singular noun. Okay? Of course, if that is plural, we only use like a determiner if we want to make it specific. Okay, let's have example for singular. For example, it has been my dream to become a teacher. Okay, so as you can see here, dream is singular, so I use the determiner my. Okay, now for the plural noun, I have a lot of dreams. Okay, so in that case, I actually like use dreams without any determiner. Okay, so that's the thing. But you can also use like other determiner, like what I've said, if you want to say that it's specific. For example, the dreams I had when I was young were funny. Okay, so in that case, I actually like use the because I was only talking about the ones that I had when I was actually like young, not every dream that I have. Okay, so that's it. Now, as an adjective, it is used to modify a noun. Okay, so it is actually like place before a noun. Okay, for example, a common noun actually. For example, this is my dream job, so I'm very happy that I am working as a teacher. As you can see here, we have the noun job, so dream is actually like used to modify it. Okay, and as a verb, dream is actually like used as an intransitive verb. Okay, I talked about intransitive verb in my other videos, so feel free to watch them to actually like know more about VI or intransitive verbs, okay? Now remember that for intransitive verb, we have to use like a preposition to use that with an object, okay? So let's have an example. For example, if I say like I dream food, is it correct? No, we cannot just say I dream food. We have to add a preposition. Okay, so I can say like I dream about food, okay? Or I dream of delicious food, okay? So you can actually like use about and you can actually like use of, but the question is what is the difference between the two? Okay, what's the difference? Now, let's focus on that. Before we answer that question, we can answer that together again later on. Try to answer my question first, okay? Try to answer it after I ask. Okay, think about it. What do you dream of? Okay, think of the answer. Okay, you may write it if you want. Okay, and then the second question is, what do you dream about? Okay, now write your answers. I'll give you time and then later on check if your answers are correct. I'll count one, two, three. Okay, I think you have time to think about dream of. And then for this case, one, two, three. Okay, let's talk about that, right? Now, let's study the difference between dream of and dream about. Okay, when you say dream of, it is actually used when you talk about your goals. Okay, remember that your goals or your aspirations, okay, or something that you want to happen in the future, right? Your future plans, okay? So it has something to do with the future, with your future. Example, I dream of becoming famous. Okay, for example, I dream of becoming famous. Okay, so in that case, that is my goal in the future. Well, it's not my goal, actually. Okay, so I dreamt of becoming a teacher, actually, and I'm happy that I am a teacher now. Okay, and then for this case, whenever you use like dream about, okay, this is actually the literal meaning. I mean, like, we use this when we talk about the things that we see while we are asleep. Okay, so for example, when I was young, I used to dream about monsters. Okay, so I used to dream about monsters when I was young, right? So it means while I was sleeping when I was young, I could see monsters in my dreams. Okay, so let's check if your answers are correct. Did you answer about your goals when I asked you about dream of? And did you answer about like the things that you see while you sleep when I asked you about what you dream about? Right? So for me, what do you dream of? Now, I am dreaming of having a happy family in the future. And what do I dream about? I dream about mm, I dream about happy things, okay? Yeah, so that's it. Okay, it means that whenever I have a dream, those are happy moments, okay? Now let's go back to our sentence a while ago. I dream about food. What does it mean? When you say I dream about food, I see food in my dreams, different kinds of food, okay? But when you say I dream of food, probably I'm hungry, so I dream of delicious food. I want to eat delicious food. My goal is to actually eat delicious food later on. So that's it for tonight. This is just very short. I hope you learned something from me. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And let's keep remembering, okay? Let's continue studying English grammar the fun and easy way. Good night.